The ever so elegant, regal, charismatic Thandeka Shabalala graced us with her presence at Icon Awards in Sandton this Saturday. To tell you that I'm happy, like I am happy for her. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Hey, I'm sure someone is saying, why are you talking about it? It's not a big thing. It's a big thing because Thandeka is not always out, and whenever she's out, she makes a statement. I'm gonna talk about the hair first. That color on her skin tone, on her face. Wow. I feel like pitch black doesn't do her justice. That brown brunette, wow, Thandeka looked like a goddess, looked like Meghan Markle. And to me, the first time I saw Thandeka, I was just reminded of Meghan Markle, but I never said it. But Meghan, the Prince Harry's wife, yeah, like elegant, but at the same time brave, young, active, and ready to say, "Yay, I'll trap you." But she looks so good, and that dress fits her very well. But the important thing is that it was the not music awards. It was Icon Awards where leaders and change makers were being awarded for their activities in the community, which is very important, and also for Thandeka, who has shown that for Yena herself, she believes in taking care of elderly people, older people, by visiting one of the eldest friends that she had this season, and also giving donations at the Center for Old People, which means that going forward, I believe we'll see Thandeka doing such charity work. And I want her to do it every day. I want her to go out there, start the initiative, get the sponsors behind you. I mean, she already has the attention. It's not easy to get sponsors in South Africa. I know, trust me, as a student leader back in my time, it was hard. But if you have the attention that Thandeka has and the influence that she has right now, she can do it and become an icon leader one day and win that award. Because I want that for her. Seriously, I do want that for her. Besides, people here on my channel, they say I always say bad things about Thandeka. I love the girl. I just don't agree on the things that she does sometimes. But otherwise, I did love seeing her out. Sorry, I did love seeing her outdoor, and I wish we could see more of her every time and every time. And she must also think about it, guys. Those who are around her, she must put it into action. She must register a foundation or organization, NPO, and be the one to take care of elderly people. We never see Big Brother housemates do like charity work at a grand stage. It's just giving out shoes. Like those things are done by everyone in South Africa currently, but nobody takes care of older people. So that could be a change maker in making Thandeka Shabalala. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.